Guys, it is Sammy, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this simple but very lovely design. Okay, I hope you can see how it is. Your product picture is in the middle, or your personal picture, or any picture you feel you want to post, you want to use, it is there. Okay, and there are some text and you can see the price. So I'll be showing you how to create this one after the other, so stay with me. Let me go to a new fresh page. Okay, so you go to your canva.com on your browser. I have always said it, don't use the app. Even if you have the app on the phone and your browser is not working, or it is redirecting you to the app, just uninstall it immediately. You don't need the app. The app is so limited in the resources available, or in the power of Canva. The app is so limited. Just go to the web app directly. So without further ado, let's move on. So this is a fresh page. The first thing you need to do is to change the background. Okay, so you can see that it's a white canvas. Just click on it like this. You see the blue shape around it, means that you've clicked on it. The next thing to do is to click on replace. You can see the replace button below. This replace, okay, you click on it. You can see you have over 4 options here. You see uploads, photos, videos, and background. We need the background, so you can use any background you want, but in this tutorial I'll be using the background blue. So immediately I searched blue, you can see the various results it brought. I can use any of this. You can use any of this. Okay, you can use any of this, but I'll stick to what to the image I showed you earlier, to the design I showed you earlier. Okay, so I'll be using this one in particular, this one here. This is what I'll be using. This is the blue I like and I want to use. So the next thing to do is to add the decorations. You can see I have the plus, the multiple, a lot of things. So I use a lot of effects here. So the first thing I'll show you to do is to use the plus. Go to this plus sign here, this one underneath here. You click on elements, then you search plus. So you know you are using the free version. Okay, so this one here is pro, this one here is free, this one is free, this one is pro. Since you are a free user, just click on the free one. Okay, this is it. So this is the image you want to use. Down here you can see the color. You have to change the color to pink because you are using pink here. You can use it, you can use any color you want because you might have your own brand color. Okay, so this is the plus. I'll just drag it over here. Okay, the next one I'll duplicate it. To duplicate, you come to the left side here. You see the plus, the 2 box here and the plus. It means duplicate. So I duplicate it. Duplicate is to create another one. Okay, see this button here, it means to rotate. I'll rotate it, so plus becomes multiple, it becomes times. Okay, I'll drag it again. I'll drag it wherever I want to place it. Okay, so I duplicate it again. Okay, I rotate it to become plus. I drag it over here. So if you want to use the plus sign, you duplicate the plus and drag it wherever you want. If you want to use the multiple, you go to the multiple and you duplicate it. Okay, just place it wherever you want to place it. So the next one is to use this circle here, or this ring. You can see it. So the trick I use is I go to my elements as usual. I type in, or I'll go to shapes. I go to shapes. Okay, so these are the shapes here. So you can see this one, this empty circle. You click on it. Okay, this is what I want. I can minimize it, I resize it. I'll change the color to pink, and then I drag it and hide part of it there. So I duplicate it again. I duplicate it, I place it somewhere. I can change the color to white or whatever color you feel it's nice for you. Okay, so I duplicate it again. Maybe I want to place it another place. It's not duplicating. Let me just use this one. Place it here. You can place it however shape you want, because you just hide the remaining parts. People won't know your secrets. Just hide it. They won't know that this is how you did it. Just hide it here. Okay, perfect. So the next one is to add our image. Okay, so you go to the plus sign, go to your elements, and you go to frames. Okay, go to frames. This is frames. These frames, you can add images into it. You just click on it and you add images. Okay, so the next one, so what I'll be using here, I want to use this one. I want to make use of this one, although this is not the one I used in the original image, but I want to change it. So you can see that the rim has a blue color. Just change the color to pink, or whatever color you feel like. Okay, so we want to add our photos. You go down underneath here, you can see replace. Click on replace and you add your photos. But I'll be using the sneakers photo for this project. Okay, so once you are done, we want to add the price and some other things. So the price is, go to plus elements, you go to shapes. The difference between frames and shapes is for color. Shapes is for color, while frames is for picture. Okay, so you can add a picture in a shape, but you can add a picture in a frame. Understand? Okay, let me just place it right here. I changed the color to white because too much of pink is too much. Okay, perfect. So I go to my plus sign because I want to add text now. I click on text. I click on add the heading, the big one, the large one. So I'm going to write all that right. Treat your feet right. Okay, so I'm going to type in treat your feet right, or well, however you want it. You can write whatever thing you want to. This is just for the class sake. Okay, so I can make it bold or bigger. Okay, then if I want to write something else, I just duplicate it. Okay, so I click on it, I erase this one, then I write 10,000 naira. I place it here. Perfect. You can choose color for this one also and change the color to pink, but I think black speaks bolder. Okay, so the next one is these dots, these colored dots. Okay, so let me show you. Who can guess the trick? This circle, just need to duplicate it like this and make it really small, or small to the size you want, and then you change the color. Ta-da! Just like that. So you can duplicate it like the way we did the others. Duplicate it, duplicate, and change the color to white. It is covering this X. So okay, so this X also I can duplicate it. Maybe I want it to be more. I want it to dominate the page. Okay, another, I'll duplicate this and add color, duplicate and add color. place it here. So this is how to design this simple but beautiful page. Okay, so you just place your product picture, whatever picture you want to use, and you work on it. That is all. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and watch out for more videos from me. Bye bye.